Hello guys, welcome to Fit on Tech Solutions YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing my screen and learning how to turn on and off Google SafeSearch image blur while browsing. This will be done in incognito mode on Google Chrome. So I'll be sharing my screen now to guide you how this is done using Google Chrome. Alright, I'll share my screen now. So watch the video to the end and let me know, like and subscribe. Alright, let me share my screen now. So welcome guys. We're talking about to turn on and off SafeSearch image blur while browsing in incognito mode. So turning off Google SafeSearch helps you to blur images like violence images on your search page or pornography images. This will help your kids to browse the internet safely. So I'll be going on to my incognito browser. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm going to my Google Chrome browser. This is Google Chrome browser. Then you open the incognito mode. You go here, go to the incognito window. Open. This is the incognito mode for Chrome browser. So you go to google.com. So these I'll be teaching you two methods and I go about this. Two methods. So this is it. So you go to settings. Because I'm not signing, that's why you're saying sign in to Google. Yes, I'm not signing. I don't need to sign in. I'll click on stay sign out. Click on settings. You see, you go to search settings. Yeah, go to search settings. Now you see this, just the sign out. See the safe search button blowing on. So my safe search is on. So when I search any violence images or violence stuff, it's blur the images. So you can easily click on it to see the other options. You can either help filter out explicit image, text and links. Blur helps blur explicit image, but explicit text and links may show. Take note of this. Off, show all relevant results even if they are explicit. So if I click off and try to search, let us say let me search just one violence. Violent scenes. If I click on images, you see these images are obvious, but when I go back to the safe search and I blur the image and see me save, then go back here, refresh, you see it becomes blur. So this image becomes blur. So that's how you can save, you can blur your safe search image. Now this is the first method. The second method is when you are searching, maybe you just search for let's just say hello on your Google Chrome browser. You go to Google Chrome, you see the settings. So you see the safe search logo. It's still here, so you can easily find the safe search icon. It is the second method of blurring images on safe search. Click on it, takes you back to this. If you want to read more about safe search, you can click on this. Now safe search is designed to detect especially content like pornography, graphic violence on Google search. If you don't want to see especially content in your search result, you can select filter to block and display content that is being detected. So let's use filter and see. Let me click on filter, go back to violence scenes. So go back to, let's click images. You see it's still showing because it's filter just text and links. But if I click on blur, refresh the page, it blurs some of these images that are violent. So you can even there you can see the option off, filter, blur. It works directly like that. So These are the steps you can use to for safe search your Google search engine. You can either blur the image or off it, or filter it. These are the steps you could use. Now they gave in an instruction. Safe search is set filters when Google system indicate that you may be under 18. If you can't change your safe search, it might be because it's being controlled by your accounts, the device, your network and interest. So most times when it's not working for you, check your accounts. You used to log in with check the network you're using. For example, parents and schools can lock safe search to filter for child and student account. Safe search feature can also be built in a public Wi-Fi network like the airports, libraries, parental controls for your operating systems and antivirus, which may be provide individual safe search settings. Just like libraries, people use go to libraries computer to type and search for things. So it is good this safe search button is turned off. If you like this video, I would like you to like and subscribe. If it's helpful, if you're having any challenges, check kindly drop a comment and I'll definitely respond and see how we help you solve your safe search on Google. Thanks so much for watching and bye.